Guys, so on this video today I'm going to show you how you can humanize your AI written blog or your AI written content. So all you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. It will be very short, and at the end of this video you will know how to humanize your AI written content. If you are writing content for your client, if you are writing content for your own personal blog, you will now know how to humanize your AI content so that your content will start ranking on Google search engine, because Google is recommending and is giving credit to human written content than AI written content. Your AI content will not rank on Google. So that is why I am making this video to help those of you who want to humanize their AI written content. That is what we are going to learn on this video. So the first thing you need to do is to go and write out your blog on your Chatgpt platform. So once you come to Chatgpt here, what you need to do is to enter your prompt. So I have prepared a prompt that I want to write blog about, which is this one here. So I will just copy this my prompt and go back to Chatgpt, copy, and I will come to Chatgpt here and I will ask Chatgpt to write this prompt for me. So all I just need to do is to paste it, and once I've pasted it, what I need to do is to click on this send button and it's going to write this blog for me. So, but look at what I have asked Chatgpt to do for me. Write for me a blog post about Honeygain. If you don't know Honeygain is a website that allows you to earn money by doing nothing. All you just need to do is to install Honeygain application on your smartphone and it will be making you money. So that is how it works, but that is not what we are going to talk about on this video. And I said, write for me a blog post about Honeygain. I want you to focus on the keyword and repeat the keyword multiple times inside a blog, and make the blog look human written blog. Don't use a word like moreover, additional, however. Word needed is less than 2000 words. Focus on keyword below. So I now left the keyword here. Keyword Honeygain review, which is this one here. And at the bottom here, I ask Chatgpt write for me. But before I ask him to write for me, I want to click on search, and I want to click on this readability. I will click on that. So what this two button is going to do is going to help us to tell Chatgpt that we want you to use the current information that you are finding on Google. Look at what people have written and combine them and craft out something out that can help us to make this our blog look more humanized content and make it look good, so that we will be able to now put this our blog post on Google and get traffic. So once you have written the blog, I will show you two websites that you can use to humanize this your blog. So all we just need to do, I will click on this part where it said I've sent. So once I click on send now, we are going to be patient. Chatgpt will start reading information that we have given and is going to write out the blog out for us. And as you can see, he has started writing the blog. As you can see, he's writing everything that concerns this blog that we just asked him to do. And as you can see, he have finished the blog for us. So if we now take this our blog and go and check it, if it's a human written blog, you will see that it's AI written blog. So I will click on copy. So once I click on copy now, let us go and check if this our blog is AI written content or a human written content. So we need to go to this website, which is called originality.ai. You can start using this website, which is called originality.ai, to check if this your website, if this your blog is a human written blog or not. So I will click on login to log into my own account. You can click on the first link in the description. It's going to take you to this website, which is called originality.ai. To get the credit, you need just minimum amount of $15 to get the credit, to be able to check your content. With $15, you will have 1,500 credits, so that you'll be able to be checking your human written blog. So why am I showing you originality.ai is because it's the best AI tool that can help you to analyze your blog, if it's a good blog that you can post on Google or not. So I will click on login here, because I already have an account. So now that I have logged into my own account, you can see my balance of my credit here is 775 credits. That is what I have currently right now. 100 words is 1 point. So if you want to check your content, you have to know that 100 word is 1 credit. That is what I want to let you know. So you click on this area where it said scan, content scanner. Click on that, and here you tell you to start a new scan. Click on that, and it's going to open this board here. All you just need to do is to paste in that blog that Chatgpt have written for you. I'll click on paste here. And now that we have pasted, you can click on fact check and readability, and you click on AI check. Make sure you click on plagiarism check. And once you have done that, click on this button where it said scan. So now that we have clicked on scan, you can see everything is real time. I'm not editing this video, turning it up and down. So what you just need to do is to be patient, and originality.ai is going to analyze this our content and let us know if it's a human written content or is AI written content. And after this, I'm going to show you a website that is going to allow you to convert this your AI written content into a human written content. As you can see, this our content is AI written content. So how can we now convert this our blog into a human written content? That is what I'm going to show you here. You can see the fact check is 100%, which is good, and the readability is 59, which is something good too. So what we need to do now is to go and humanize this our AI content. So we need to come to this website, which is, you can see, gravitywrite.com. So this website, what it's doing is that to help you to write a blog, if you want to write a blog just like ChatGPT, and it will help you to humanize your AI written blog too. So I'm just going to log in. This website will allow you to do a lot of things. So you just need to go and try this website out. All the whole website I'm measuring, the links will be in the description below. So this Gravity website will be the second link in the description. You can check it out. I'll click on login here to log into my own account. So now that I've logged into my own account, you need to click on this area where you will find try new UI. I will click on that, and it's going to open a new window for me. So now that you have bring us here, what we need to do, we need to click on this area where it said AI test humanizer. I will click on that, and it's going to open this board for us. So now that this board have opened, before I start humanizing this my blog, I want to still let you know that you need to pick the premium plan of this application, which is this gravitywrite.com. If you want to use it, is very affordable. It's $19 every single month. Just pick the premium plan. Is something that is going to help you to humanize your own blog content and to humanize any content that you are writing for your client. If you are a freelancer on Fiverr, this is one of the tools that you need to humanize your AI written blog that you are writing for your client, because your client is going to go and do the fact check on this website, which is called originality.ai, and when they come to check it here, they will see that it's AI content. They will not pay you because it is AI written content. They are looking for a human written content. So what you need to do is to come to this website, which is called Gravity Writer or gravitywrite.com. You will now go and humanize your content, just like following the step-by-step guide of what I show you here. So what we need to do now is to paste in our blog so that we'll be able to now humanize this our content. I'll click on Command V and enter. I'll click on humanize, and as you can see, it has started humanizing this our blog for us. All we just need to do is to be patient, and it's going to do all the whole work for us. So once it have humanized this our blog, all we just need to do is to go and publish this our blog on our website. So as you can see, it have humanized this our blog. So one thing that I want you to do is to just copy the title first here. Just copy the title, go to that your website where you want to publish this your blog. Click on this. So this is now your blog title. Go back again and copy this everything. Just copy everything so that we'll go and fact check everything to see if this our blog have been humanized or is still showing AI written content. I'll click on Command R, and I will click on copy, which is Command C from your Mac, and you go to this website, which is called originality.ai. Go back again, click on scan, and click on start new scan here. And you need to paste in that blog that gravity.ai have humanized for you. So what we need to do now is to click on the same fact check, click on this, and click on this one, click on this one, and click on scan. So let us see now if this Gravity writer have humanized this our content for us. So just be patient, and it's going to let you know if this your blog have been humanized or not. So let us just be patient and see what it's going to give us. And one thing that I want to let you know is that originality.ai is very good. You don't need to pick the monthly plan. Voila, you can see our blog now is original 100% human written content. You can see that our content now is ready to rank on Google search engine. So that is how you can humanize your AI written content. So you can see that we move from this one that you can see on the screen here to this one here. So you see now that we now have our clean humanized written blog. So this our blog now is now showing that is a human written blog, not AI written blog. But remember that we write this blog with Chatgpt, and now we want to humanize it on this website, which is called Gravity Writer, and now our blog is ready to be published on Google and start bringing traffic to that our website and start making money if you want to make money from that our blog. So guys, that is how you can humanize your AI written blog. So I would say if you enjoyed this video, just leave me that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I really want to hear from you. If you want me to make in-depth video about gravitywriter.com, you can let me know in the comment section below. So you can just see the website, which is this one here, gravitywriter.com. And they put /AI. It's an AI tool, so you can go and try it out. They have a lot of things that you will find on this website. This website have been very helpful for me because I picked the 1 year plan. So you can just go pick the premium plan and start using this website. Like I'm saying, don't forget, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go and check my resource page to get everything that I am talking about on this video here, guys. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace.